Welcome to Perth, the beautiful capital city of Western Australia. Perth is famous for its sunny weather, beautiful beaches, open spaces, and relaxed lifestyle. One of the best things about Perth is its coastline. Places like Cottesloe Beach offer soft sand, clear water, and beautiful ocean views. One of the most magical moments in Perth is sunset. Imagine sitting near the beach, watching the sun slowly disappear over the Indian Ocean while the sky changes color. Perth is also home to Kings Park, one of the city's most beautiful natural attractions. From the park, you can enjoy wonderful views of the city and the Swan River. If you enjoy nature, Perth has plenty to offer. You can walk through parks, explore nearby beaches, visit beautiful gardens, or take a trip outside the city. Perth also has a relaxed city atmosphere. Compared with some larger Australian cities, it can feel more peaceful and spacious. There are cafes, restaurants, shopping areas, cultural attractions, and many places to enjoy during the day. And if you want to explore further, you can travel to places such as Rottnest Island, famous for its friendly quokkas and beautiful scenery. Perth may be far from Australia's eastern cities, but that distance is part of its charm. It offers sunshine, nature, beaches, and a slower pace of life. If you are looking for a peaceful and beautiful Australian city, Perth is definitely worth discovering.